Dosatron, the global leader of water-powered chemical injectors, presents the Dosatron D07 series. Engineered and constructed of high-quality polypropylene, the D07 series provides excellent chemical compatibility for a wide range of chemicals. The hydraulic motor moves up and down when water enters the Dosatron unit. On the upstroke, the Dosatron draws fluid up from the concentrate tank. On the downstroke, the concentrate is displaced into the chamber, then mixed and discharged into the water line. It has a water flow range from 1 gallon per hour to 3 gallons per minute. The two models in this series provide a dilution range from 1 to 667 to 1 to 18. They use volumetric proportioning, ensuring that the chemical mixture remains the same, regardless of variations in pressure and flow. The D07 series is found in specialized applications. Please contact us for guidance. The simple-to-adjust external dial makes it easy to set the injection rate. The D07 series includes 3/4-inch NPT connectors and mounting bracket, along with easy-to-install pickup tubing and weighted strainer. The D07 series is compact in size and is easy to install. If you need the ability to turn the chemical injection off or on, just turn this knob. Dosatron's D07 series, the revolutionary tool that will change the way you think about chemical dosing forever. For more information, give us a call at 1-800-523-8499.